I almost paid for DeeVid AI after watching a few videos online. The demos looked impressive. Type A prompt, generate an AI video, export it, done. It looked like the kind of tool that could replace hours of editing work. But I've tested enough AI platforms to know one thing. The demo is usually the best case scenario. So before spending any money, I decided to use DeeVid AI for real projects. Not just one prompt, multiple videos, different styles, different ideas, and honestly, the results surprised me. The first thing I noticed was how quickly I could turn an idea into a video. Instead of spending hours searching for stock footage, editing clips, and adding effects, I had something usable within minutes. That's a huge advantage if you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, or product promotions every week. Then I started experimenting with more detailed prompts, and this is where I learned the biggest lesson. DeeVid AI isn't a type one sentence and get perfection tool. The quality depends heavily on your prompt. The more specific I became about the scene, camera angle, lighting, and style, the better the final video looked. That's something most reviews don't tell you. Now, here's the mistake I think many people will make. They'll buy the subscription expecting every video to look cinematic. That's unrealistic. Some generations look fantastic. Others needed another attempt. That's simply how AI video generation works today. After a few days, I realized who DeeVid AI is really built for. Content creators who need videos fast, freelancers creating client content, marketing agencies testing ad ideas, startup founders making product demos, small businesses that can't afford a full production team. For those people, the time savings alone can justify using it. So would I recommend DeeVid AI? Yes, but with the right expectations. Don't buy it because you think AI will replace creativity. Buy it because it removes the slowest part of creating videos. It helps you test more ideas, publish faster, and spend less time editing. And honestly, that's the biggest value I found. So before you buy DeeVid AI, ask yourself one question. Do you want a magic button? Or do you want a tool that helps you create better content faster? Because those are two very different things. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.